The quokka, native to Australia, is an adorable marsupial known for its irresistibly charming smile, earning it the title of the world's happiest animal. With its petite stature and friendly demeanor, the quokka has captivated the hearts of people worldwide. These herbivorous creatures are about the size of a house cat and are predominantly nocturnal, emerging at dusk to forage for leaves, stems, and other vegetation. Their round, expressive eyes and perma-grin make them perfect subjects for heartwarming photos and videos that have gained immense popularity on social media, spreading happiness and positivity to viewers of all ages.